Alright, what's going on, guys? So here we are. We're going to change these Nerf bars on this thing. I'm not a fan for chrome. I think I actually might kind of like these Nerf bars. These are nice heavy gauge. I think I may take these off, send them out to get powder coated and get them powder coated gloss black to match the frame. But in the meantime, I got these other Nerf bars over here. I've already put the net on it. But this is the left side. Net's on. They're nice. You know, the welds don't look as good. It doesn't have a rear bracket for the heel guard like the ones that's on there does. So I'm gonna throw these on here for now. But like I said, I'm gonna get the other ones powder coated. But you know, for now, these will work for what I need. So over here, we need to take a couple things apart. You got this bolt down here that goes through with a nut on the back of it. 13mm nut, 12mm bolt. We got a 12mm. I think this is a 13mm up here, and a 12mm bolt here. And this thing should slide right off. Let me go and take these bolts out, and I'll show you how it comes off. All right, grab the spacer out of here. And, should pretty much come right on off. There it is. I think I probably could reuse this, but I'm not. I'm gonna go ahead and take these two bolts out here, pull this off, and use the one that comes with it. Alright, so when you put this back on here, just make sure your bolts are near the top of this, the bracket, because it's kind of offset. You can see it pushes the tube down lower towards the ground. So just make sure your bolts are at the top. Alright. We got a spacer for this one, and then we're gonna get this on. Alright, put your cap in here so you don't get any water at the top. Just like that. And then I should be able to slide this right on here. Alright, so I slipped in the front bracket. I found that to be a little bit easier. And then we should be able to just slide this straight over top of this post here. Line it up. You can see that pretty much you can adjust this to wherever you need to go for that part. But I like to put the bolt through here first with the nut on it. And then I can force that and line that side up. So I'll just get this bolt in underneath this foot peg here. Alright, we got the bolt on there, just loose right now. Just got to tighten that up. I got this longer bolt here with the spacer on it. I gotta try and lift this up, get it started in that hole there. Alright, so we got that in there. And then now time to tighten these bolts up. 12mm socket and 13mm wrench for the back side of that nut. Alright, so that's all tight. Now what we do now is we have this little pinch clamp that we need to tighten that bolt up. Now, when you tighten this up, man, make sure you don't tighten this up too much, because when I did the other side, the right side, I broke this screw. So you don't really need to tighten this up too much. Alright, so that's a 5mm hex here. Like I said, don't go crazy with it. Tighten it by hand, and then a couple more turns with the ratchet. You're putting that much pressure on this thing. That's it for me. As long as it doesn't move, and try to turn it, good to go. Alright, so here we go. We got them all on there. Nerf bars on. This is the right side. I got the passenger side on. And they went on smooth. Like I said, the only thing you need to worry about is this little pinch clamp. Don't over tighten that. I broke this side when I was tightening it up, and I really wasn't putting that much force on it, but the bolt broke. And that was a pain in the butt to get that bolt out and get a new one in there. So be careful tightening up those pinch clamps. But like I said, other than that, the red and black looks good on here, man. It's coming together, guys. And this is the back side there, and this is the left side here. And like I said, they feel nice and sturdy. They feel real sturdy. Yep, $100 on eBay. Really can't beat that. So also off camera, I got the new plug in there, gapped and all. Got that installed. with some anti-seize on it. We got the new headlights on it. Let's see if we can see what that looks like. Nice bright headlights. LEDs. High beams, low beams, high beams, low beams. All right. We have, as you can see, we have the battery tender hooked up to it. This is a 12 volt. It's a stock battery that's in there. We may end up changing that later on. I got a lithium one, but as small as it is, I'm gonna be for real, guys. I'm kind of scared to put it on, but we'll get back to that soon, though. But yeah, this thing is getting there, man. I got a new seat for this thing, but I don't know if I'm gonna put it on because I like the way this one looks on there. So I'm not sure, man. I got things coming for this jump that I don't know what's next, really. Air filter. I gotta put a new air filter in here. The old one is over here, and it was a mess. So I ordered a new one. The new one came and it's the wrong one. So make sure you guys pay attention because I definitely didn't. The one I ordered, I'll show you. This is the one I ordered, and I oiled it up and everything. Had it all ready to put on, and it doesn't fit. I thought maybe it was just the size. It didn't make a difference. I thought it would mount up the same way, but it didn't. So I had to put another order in for a new air filter. So once that comes in, we'll throw that in, and then we got an oil filter that I need to change the oil on this thing. And what else we got coming? We got those bad boys right there. We got some new tires that's going on some new wheels. So stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. So, all right, guys. I guess that'll pretty much be it for today. All right. So, it's your boy Lance over Crucial Garage. I'll catch y'all later, man. Out.